All right, next up, I'm here with Jake and Preston from Westcott Lighting. Guys, it's so good to see you here at the show.
It's good to see you as well.
Yeah, because we ran into each other over in Dallas at Imaging as well.
We did.
Yeah. Is this your first time here in London?
It is.
Excellent.
Brilliant. Answer, sorry.
Yeah. It's good. It was a heavy night last night, so, that was it. How are you finding the photography show?
It's great. We've had a lot of traffic going through, a lot of interest in our products, so it's great to get back in the market in here.
Yeah. What's new and what's the latest updates when it comes to Westcott?
The greatest new thing that we have right now is the FJ800 by popular demand. It's the most exciting product we've launched in a long time. The biggest thing about these is the interchangeable battery. So the battery that works on the FJ800 will work on the FJ400 V2, so they're intercompatible. So that's awesome.
Yeah. You guys have quite a wide product range. What is the thing that you would, which product would you recommend to somebody who's just getting into off-camera lighting?
I can make that recommendation. I would highly recommend our FJ82. It has the trigger built inside of it. So if you're just getting into lighting, it's a great on-camera light source that can also trigger flashes and other speed lights off-camera for when you're ready. So you're kind of preemptively getting yourself ready for off-camera flash with the FJ82.
Yeah. So you guys are an American brand.
Yep.
How are you finding the European market just generally?
I think it's great. Everyone's been super polite and nice. Like, that's been the nice thing. I mean, everyone's very interested. They're wanting to move into, I would say, a little more advanced lighting system from what they currently have, and there's a lot of interest in it. So, yeah.
Yes. Cool. So I hope you have a great time here at the show. It's been an absolute pleasure meeting you guys. By the way, what is that thing behind you?
Oh, this is the Easy Boom. Go ahead, Preston. Go ahead.
This is our new Easy Boom. It's a great system. I mean, Jake, you know a little bit more about it than I do.
Yeah. So, I mean, the Easy Boom is just our entryway into the market for booms, because the booms, there's been two big manufacturers that produce these. We're just now getting into the market. So it's a very affordable piece. As far as in US dollars, it's only $2.99. So with the pounds, it's a lot cheaper. But it's a great entry-level boom if you want to get started into booming lights. And it's affordable compared to other booms in the market. So
I'm liking it a lot. I can actually see quite a few applications for what I do with that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Fantastic.
It's great. Like, if you want to use it in studio for portraiture or if you want to use it for commercial, ours has a couple of additional cool features that others in the market don't offer. So we offer both the sandbag and a weight plate arm that comes with it. And it also has a safety mechanism. So when you're loading stuff on, you can kind of lock it into place without things sliding down and becoming dangerous. So you can just slide that in. You can attach your weight bag or your weight plate and then your light, and then release it when you're ready. Right. So, yeah.
Fantastic. Guys, it's been an absolute pleasure meeting you. Thank you so much for talking to me. Pleasure. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoyed that clip, then press here for the full episode in glorious Technicolor. Hey, and don't forget to subscribe.